Alex has started learning object-oriented programming. He creates a class hierarchy and runs the program. Everything looks correct, but Python suddenly shows an error. This error is called not implemented error, and it usually means a method was expected to be implemented, but it was left unfinished. Think of it like this. Alex receives a blueprint for building a house. The blueprint tells him that every house must have a door, but the blueprint does not specify what the door should look like. That decision is left to the builder. Python uses a similar idea in object-oriented programming. In this example, the animal class defines a method called a speak, but the method contains no actual implementation. Instead, it forces child classes to provide their own version. The problem happens when Alex directly calls the unfinished method. Python reaches non-implemented error and stops. The correct approach is creating a child class and implementing the method. Now the method has a real implementation. Python now knows exactly what to execute. Not implemented error is commonly used in frameworks, libraries, and object-oriented designs. It acts as a reminder that child classes must be provided their own implementation. Whenever you see not implemented error, check these things. Did you forget to override a method? Are you calling a base class method directly? Does the child class provide its own implementation? Most non-implemented errors happen because a required method was never completed. Once the method is implemented, the problem disappears. Alex implements the missing method, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.